Everyone, it's me, and it's the crazy girl. Excuse the loud noise. I'm trying to show you what she does. She loves bottles. Come here. Watch her make me look stupid. Come here. Do you want your bottle? You want your bottle? Come here. Come here. Get your bottle. Oh, there she goes. Watch her. Kill it. Kill that water bottle. Kill the water bottle. Kill it. I'm going to get it. Let me get the water bottle. Watch. You want it? Come here. Get it. You want the water? Come on. Get it. Come on. Watch. She's going to try to come up. Come here. Nobody can see you if you go behind me. There she goes. Come on. Do you want the water bottle? Do you want the water bottle? She has basically taken over my whole living room and kitchen. And that's her puppy pad, yes. Ah, come here. She has basically... Ow, not over here. Take it here. This is basically for Terry. Because Terry can't believe how little she is. That's a regular 16-ounce bottle there that she's... What are you licking on the floor? This makes her third bottle. And also, this is her other favorite play toy. Right here. And she goes crazy over this. I had bought this when I was babysitting the police officers' puppies. Okay, watch it. Take it out that way.
R-O-F-L, rolling on the floor,
laughing. She knows if you squeeze that paw, it will turn on. She has turned it on once or twice. Bring it here, and I'll turn it on. Ow, don't get me. There. Oh, it's all wet now.
I'm so R-O-F-L, rolling on the floor, laughing.
Ow, that was my finger. She has gotten to where she sleeps through the night now. A little. You want to say hi? You want to come and say hi? Come here. Say hi to everybody. Come here. Come here. They usually see you when you're asleep. Yeah. They saw you when you first came in. You want to show them how mean you can be, huh? You want to show them? Show them how mean. Oh, and this is her other favorite toy. She loves all of her toys. And she's got a she's got a wardrobe. I guess most of my money for my job is going to go on doggy clothes and puppy pads. But I went and I got her a outfit. I'll show you. I got a really, really cute outfit. Terry, you have got to get Binky this outfit so they can be matching and stuff, since they're sisters from another mothers and fathers and stuff. I'm still looking for the the Cricut die cut for the Hello Kitty fonts. But anyway, and also I want to show you this. I am making a card. And this is a scrapbook, one of my cards, and it's one of those magic cards where you take it and you flip it and stuff. Instead of using all duct tape, what I did is, ta-da! I used the duct tape for the straps. Ooh, that looks bad. And then I used, this is the $2 paper that they have at Michael's. The $2 paper that they have at Michael's. This is what I used, and I used cardstock to make sure that you couldn't see any of the strapping right there. So, and it says love, 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 love. So, I was going to cut out a big butterfly, something like this, to go here, but you know, my duct tape cutting isn't that good. I tried and I wasted like, I'd say about almost a yard of black duct tape because I cut this little image out, and when it came up perfectly until I got right here, and then it just tore right in half. I was like devastated. What? What? What's the matter? You trying to get up on the couch? You're too little to get up there on your own. Yes, you are. Where's your bed? Your bed's in there, huh? She don't really chew her food very well, so I had to break up all her food, her Mighty Dog food, into little bitty morsels. So she can't really chew her food because her mouth is too small, just like Binky's. So I have to make sure that she's able to get her food out, and it gets stuck in her jaws too. So, oh well, I'll let everybody go. So, I'll say it. Peace out. Peace out. And Toodles and Terry. Terry, get your butt back to bed. You're sick. Don't make me come to Vegas. Please do. And kick your butt. Now go back to bed. Bye, everybody. Peace out. Toodles. Take care. Bye.